Welcome back to Moha's Health Hub. If you love pizza but want to keep things healthy, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 25 mouth-watering, low-calorie, high-protein pizza recipes that'll satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your fitness goals. Let's get started. First things first, the key to a healthy pizza is all about the right ingredients. We're swapping out the greasy crust and high-fat toppings for nutritious alternatives. You can still enjoy pizza, but with a healthier twist. Recipe number 1, the cauliflower crust pizza. Cauliflower replaces traditional flour for a lower-carb, fiber-packed crust. Top it with lean protein like grilled chicken, lots of veggies, and a sprinkle of mozzarella for a high-protein meal. Recipe number 2, the zucchini crust pizza. Zucchini crust is a great way to sneak in more veggies. Add some turkey pepperoni, fresh basil, and a little parmesan for a delicious, protein-packed pie. Recipe number 3, the chicken Alfredo pizza. This one's a twist on the classic, with grilled chicken, a homemade light Alfredo sauce, and a whole wheat crust for a healthier take on a creamy favorite. Recipe number 4, the Greek pizza. Using whole wheat crust, top it with grilled chicken, spinach, Kalamata olives, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's loaded with healthy fats and protein. Recipe number 5, the veggie supreme pizza. You don't have to sacrifice flavor for health. Pile on mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, and spinach on a whole grain crust for a pizza that's bursting with vitamins and fiber. These are just a few ideas to get you started, but don't forget, you can customize your pizza to match your taste and health goals. Swap out the cheese, experiment with different veggies, or add a variety of lean proteins to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Here's a quick rundown of all 25 recipes you can try. 1. Cauliflower crust pizza. 2. Zucchini crust pizza. 3. Chicken Alfredo pizza. 4. Greek pizza. 5. Veggie supreme pizza. And many more. Remember, pizza doesn't have to be off limits if you're trying to stay healthy. With these low-calorie, high-protein recipes, you can enjoy all the flavors without the guilt. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and comment below which pizza you're most excited to try. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.